Therapeutic Services presents The TV Teacher, Revolutionizing Handwriting for Today's Students. Presented by Marnie Danielson. Presented in these locations, this full-day course will train you on this research-based handwriting program that has been endorsed by the New York City DOE for nearly a decade. The TV Teacher's unique video modeling approach uses visuals, rhythmic chants, and repetition. In each 5-minute letter chapter, we teach writing and vocabulary. Course attendees will walk away with 2 online streaming programs and a workbook to help students the day they walk back into the classroom. Other topics this powerful course will address include: understand the pyramid of handwriting development and how to foster a child's skill. Develop an evidence-based understanding of how cognition, self-regulation, and gross motor skill contribute to handwriting. And acquire a multitude of easily implemented activities that foster motor, visual motor, and fine motor skills. To register, please contact Therapeutic Services.